In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and edit the .htaccess file in Htaccess. If you're a Htaccess user looking to modify or update your .htaccess file, knowing exactly where to go and how to do it can make life so much simpler. This video is designed specifically to guide you through the whole process from start to finish. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Htaccess homepage. Go ahead and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the H-panel dashboard. From here, locate the Websites option in the main menu. It's prominently displayed and easy to find. Click on it to proceed to your next step. Once you're on the Websites page, the next step is to head over to the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center, where you'll manage everything related to your websites and hosting settings. Click on it to get a detailed layout of all your website files and settings. Now we're in the right place, and it's time to access the files of your particular site. Click on the Files section. This will give you access to the File Manager interface, which is crucial for the tasks we're about to perform. In the File Manager, the first action you'll take is to find and click on File Manager itself. This action will lead you to a place where you can access all files under your hosting plan in one convenient spot. This is a powerful tool because it centralizes all your files, making it easier for you to manage and modify them. From here, locate the section labeled Domains. Click on it and you'll start seeing some familiar names if you've hosted multiple domains with Htaccess. Find your domain. Once you've located it, click on the domain linked to the .htaccess file you're interested in editing. You're now getting closer to your goal. Click on Public HTML, where all your website content is stored. This public HTML directory is crucial as it hosts most of your website's files, including the .htaccess file we're aiming to modify. Now, with the public YML folder displayed before you, it's time to focus on finding and clicking the .htaccess file. This system file is key to managing configuration details for your web server and can handle redirects and serve various purposes. By clicking on it, you open it up for editing. And there you have it. Now you can make whatever changes you need to your .htaccess file, ensuring your website runs exactly the way you want it to. Just remember, after making your changes, to save your work before exiting to ensure all your adjustments take effect immediately. That wraps up our guide on finding and editing the .htaccess file in Htaccess. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.